Knockout Production.
Trying to go round.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again on the Up Top Boss. DJ released the video for Up Top Boss. And me I tell you say that video you're sick. So we are going to review it and see what it's all about. You see me? And people, remember to like, comment and share.
Bubble your body for the Up Top Boss. Bad man a fuck your baby your top class.
Let me know what they done, you know. The man, you know. The one, you know. Right now, me a rep.
Shaddy Murray TV.
Shaddy Murray TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
And YouTube, you know. Come in, say YouTube, that tube, and such tube. Yo.
Yeah. Shaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said.
It's exploding right now.
So people, at the first me I watch a video with so much woman, I swear. Anybody who don't like that video, yeah, that means they probably them gone on the next side of earth. Them a walk the next street, not the street where we a walk. Because we know say me love woman. And once you see a video like this, me I tell you, with so much woman in it, half a shot. You see me? TG, big up yourself. This video was shot by Ramesh Entertainment TV. I saw them name, I don't know if I saw them name, you know. Ramesh TV, them name, you know. But anyway, you know Ramesh. You see me? Him a run video right now and him call it Ramesh Entertainment TV, something like so. But it's shot, I not tell a lie, at the second video, me see them a put out, and them they do Shensia Yang. I say Sheng Yang. Yeah, and them they do Shensia Sheng Yang, and it go on good, and the one here go on good. The video now have a bag of concept, it not a big concept. Just know say yo, in the beginning when they must say yo, we don't care if the mama not go, we not go nowhere. You just see a girl box a youth, and me I say yeah, you see me, girl a deal with him away, and then TG just bubble your body for the up top, bad man, yo. The song shot, me not tell a lie. And me have to big up Ramesh again, because here one now. This song was released before TG signed to Ramesh, you know. You see me? And me not say nothing, never did I go on for the song, but the song never really that hot. But since TG start get managed by Ramesh, like this song just took off. You see it? And you see Ramesh, that you there, him have some different style of marketing where it a work. You see me? Some different something me see dog a do way. It a work. Him a one of the artists. Well, him an artist. Him a one of the people in a Jamaica in the music industry where I utilize social media to its best. And other artists out there, other managers out there who no need to look where Ramesh do and probably copy some of it because it a work. You see me? Make we show you a next clipping of the Up Top Boss video.
Then down. Back at the low. Turn round. Back at the low. Calm your fucking self down deep. Bad man, I fuck you, tell me where you feel. Then down. Alright then. Boom, panic, keep us like your papi tap. And if me get a pussy, no, we no happy tap. Give you a ticket, brass clock, me no happy sarge.
So people, this is what I want you do. I want you comment in the comment section. Which line are your favorite line out of Up Top Boss? You see me? Which part in the video are your favorite part in the video? You see me? But me not tell a lie, TG, big up yourself, me rate how you go on out, you do the thing. You not try do it, you do it. You see me? And me rate how the artists them from the Mobile side, them just do it, you see me? Rygin King, Squash, TG. You know I do it, man. She need same speed, you see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And you can follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's IAM DJ CHADDY. And before me go, I left you with the part of the clippings because you see that part in the video are kind of my favorite part. When I see a woman like sun. But boy, yo, me just love see woman, you know. But anybody when don't love see woman, them wrong still. I'm out.
What you say for me that, baby? Bubble your body for the Up Top Boss. Bad man a fuck your baby a top class cocky. Jump in the belly like say you upstart. Remember me a top notch, every girl a drop jazz. She skinny good for me fuck that hard. When me touch it tell her friend them say the boy part. Back at your love brace against the ball. Make me stop your heart baby till your ball. Me feel the go mommy when you see don't funny. What a pussy die you do fi broke cocky.